Viewers, let's move ahead right now. The Grand Pran Pratishtha Mahotsav concluded on February 2nd at the Lord Jagannath Temple in Noida. Millions of devotees were in attendance to witness and take part in the consecration ceremony of the 4 deities. The temple was illuminated ahead of this auspicious event as spiritual leaders from across the country poured in for the Mahotsav. Take a look at this report.
The magnificent Pran Pratishtha Mahotsav unfolded over 5 joyous days of celebration at the Lord Jagannath Temple in Noida, Sector 121. The grand celebration of Sanatan Dharma attracted millions of devotees from across the country in a magnificent display of faith and devotion.
Mr. Mishra, give us an understanding of how has it been the journey of this temple and of course the significance of the Pran Pratishtha.
This movement had started way back in 1992. That time some people got together and decided of starting this temple. And then time passed, there a lot of struggle happened. Then in just 14 years back, people decided, okay, let's buy a plot here and start it. This movement gathered momentum in the last year. Till last year we are doing Rath Yatra every year. For the last 14 years we have been doing Rath Yatra, but last year particularly we decided during the Rath Yatra that next year Lord Jagannath is going to go from this temple only. So thereafter, I don't know, the blessings of Lord Jagannath, we got a lot of donations and everything started moving, and now you are seeing this huge temple.
A grand procession featuring special rituals, cultural programs and community gatherings took place, culminating in the ultimate ceremony of the Pran Pratishtha.
Ceremony is on for the Pran Pratishtha of Lord Jagannath here, which will be personally done by the Maharaja, the Gajapati of Puri. The majestic and marvelous Jagannath temple, situated at the sprawling green landscape in Noida, had in fact taken 15 long years to be built. It is relatively a modern structure in comparison to the original ancient Jagannath temple at Puri in Odisha. And it is based on the Vastu art. The core architecture of the temple, in fact, reflects upon the traditional design, featuring intricate and exquisite design and the stone carving. And the number of people who have joined in here for the consecration ceremony are all here to witness the Pran Pratishtha of Lord Jagannath at this very newly built temple.
Following the ceremony, the Gajapati Maharaj of Puri, Sri Dibya Singh Deb, served as the first servitor to offer puja to Lord Jagannath.
जगन्नाथ जी चतुर्धा विग्रह का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हो चुका है और चतुर्धा मूर्ति और जितने भी पार्श्व देवा देवी हैं वो अपने अपने मंदिर में सिंहासन में आरूढ़ हो चुके हैं। भक्तों का बहुत अधिक समागम है। ये सेवक का प्रार्थना है कि इस मंदिर जगन्नाथ जी का मंदिर के द्वारा इस अंचल में आध्यात्मिक चेतना का जागरण हो। हर एक व्यक्ति जो इस इलाके में रहते हैं वो इस मंदिर का आध्यात्मिक कार्यक्रम का लाभ लेते हुए अपना अंतःकरण शुद्धि के द्वारा भगवत प्राप्त करें।
The event brought together religious and spiritual leaders from temples across India.